father bought me my own smartwatch. It's called my first phone, and I'll tell you what and all the features it has. It has voice and video call. It has IP68 water resistant. It has 1500 songs on this watch. And next, we can send and receive emojis. We can track anyone where they are, and then we can track indoor Wi-Fi tracking. This one is we can tilt to wake screen. It can also rate our heart. It's a heart rate monitor. We can make friends, and it's one touch SOS. It also has classroom mode, and it also has pedometer. Now let's open the watch and see. Guys, we got the instruction. We got these cute stickers. And next we got the stickers to not miss our watch. And this one. And this is our watch. See? Now we can stick the sticker whichever we want. Okay? This one. So sorry guys, the English language was already picked and it said welcome. Now it's detecting the network.